Sky above, sand below, peace within. The waves of the sea help me get back to me. And it also reminds me of summer, when I used to ride jet ski and have fun in the sea. The desert tells a different story every time one ventures on it. I have always loved the desert. One sits down on a desert sand dune, sees nothing, hears nothing, yet through the silence something throbs and gleams, and also remind me of camping. Every year I go camping on January and February with my family or with my friends, and I have a lot of fun there.